The dua and istighfar of other believers for you. What else causes forgiveness? What else saves you from Jahannam? When other people make dua for you, especially by name, but even generic dua. Because all believers are commanded by Allah to seek forgiveness for all other believers. وَالَّذِينَ جَاءُوا مِن بَعْدِهِمْ يَقُولُونَ رَبَّنَا اغْفِرْ لَنَا وَلِإِخْوَانِنَا الَّذِينَ سَبَقُونَا بِالْإِيمَانِ. A part of our culture, our Islamic culture, is we ask Allah, Allahumma اغْفِرْ لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ وَالْمُؤْمِنَاتِ وَالْمُسْلِمِينَ وَالْمُسْلِمَاتِ الْأَحْيَاءِ مِنْهُمْ وَالْأَمْوَاتِ. We ask Allah's forgiveness for all the believers. So, our hope is when we go away, our hope is when we're gone, the people who ask Allah's forgiveness for all believers, some of it inshallah will come to us as well. We cannot rely on that, but it is a hope, and it is one of the ways of kafara, one of the ways of protection of Jahannam, and especially a dua by name. Especially a dua by name. And that is why we are encouraged to seek forgiveness for others, because when we do it for others, then inshallah when we are gone, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will cause people to do it for us as well. And how stingy we are, brothers and sisters, that we don't even want to raise our hands up to Allah and ask Allah to bless other people, ask Allah to protect other people, ask Allah to forgive other people. Don't we know that when we do it, an angel will say Ameen, and may you get the same as what you have asked your brother and sister. Don't we know that as we do unto others, so shall be done unto us, kama tadinu tudan. As we seek forgiveness for others, Allah will create people that will seek forgiveness for us. So point number 4, dua and istighfar from the other believers.